guys, Running Kimono here. So this morning I made a video about toilet paper run deal over at at Home Depot, and I know a lot of you got in on the deal, did exactly what I did with the Fetch Rewards app, and cashed out a little gift card, so you weren't feeling this one out of pocket and just getting a huge haul of toilet paper for just basically tax. And for a lot of you who have been apprehensive or on the fence about signing up for Fetch Rewards, today is the day to do it, guys, because you don't want to, miss out on something this great. and honestly, this was probably one of the better hauls I've ever done, to see this much toilet paper. I mean, I was just like giddy. But anyhow, it's really easy. Go to the link in the notes, use my referral code. It's right there on the screen. When you sign up, photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given 2,000 points. If you're sitting on a bunch of receipts because you coupon, photograph all of them this weekend, guys. And the kicker of why this is such a superb app is that once you hit the $5 mark, guess what? You can get yourself a Home Depot gift card. So if you can get busy and start photographing receipts, this is again for new signups only. You could possibly get to that $5 gift card like soon, and then go and then look for some clearance finds. Maybe you'll find some toilet paper. I mean, it's just absolutely fantastic. So if you're interested, check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my code. Here. So today's video is a great one. We are doing a Bath & Body Works haul, and the candles today are $9.56 each with 20% off coupon, which was a mailer. So we're going to talk about the pricing of the candles and how fantastic this is, and how this is even better than Candle Day, because I think last year on Candle Day, were they like $9.95 or something goofy like that? They were a bit. I mean, they weren't as cheap as this, but this is comparable. Today I did a little bit of damage. I got 6, and then I also had a free item, so I got this little lotion, and I'm going to talk about the breakdown for that. But in case you missed it, I posted a video earlier this morning where I went crazy this morning at the Home Depot. These Belladonna toilet papers are $1 each, so they are 75% off. They're usually $1. And basically I got this, which is 96, and then 4 more, so I got 100, and that's a sum of at 25 cents each, $25. I used a Fetch Rewards gift card, and I paid like $1.50 in tax. So you guys know the last 6 months haven't been pleasant, and toilet paper is one of those items that very hard to find. If not, it was getting cleared. And for whatever reason, I know that a lot of hardware stores such as Lowe's and Home Depot are clearing certain types of toilet paper. A lot of stores were doing that too in the Chicago area, but I just could not find any store around here that was doing it. And today I finally found the mother load, and I didn't clear the store either. I mean, I had the option because I think they had 4 or 5 of these cases, and I just grabbed one of them, and it was just thrilling. This was like one of the most exciting coupon hauls I've done in a long time, just because it's something I really, really wanted, which is kind of crazy. But my husband's even like, "Why are you so excited about this?" I'm like, "Because it's 100 rolls of toilet paper." And even like the ones that are wrapped like this at Walgreens, they're like, what, 10 for $5? I just didn't want to be that person always clearing that out of my local store, so I was just always pressing pause on that. And then today to do this deal is just so fantastic. A lot of you have been asking, like, what is the consistency of this toilet paper? And just to show you, I think it's a lot like the Scott's 1000. In a pinch, this will do it for you, but it's not like a very plush, like a quilted northerner or cottonelle. Just to answer that question, and no, I have not used it yet. I'm probably going to keep this roll in my bathroom because I've just touched it, and that's not really nice. I would do this deal sooner than later because I think this one's going to go very quickly. Good luck, guys. Okay, so now we're going to talk about my Bath & Body Works haul. I'm going to show you what I'm hauling specifically. A very good friend of mine, Wanda, sent me a couple of these 20% off, and she even sent me one that was a free item plus 20% off. And they're home mailers, because I had used mine the week previous like a dummy, so I wasn't able to use it for this sale. And I heard whispers of the sale about a week and a half ago, and I knew I wanted to go and get it because these are 3 wicks and I really like it. So as stated earlier in the video, guys, these are selling for $9.56 with the 20% off. If you don't have the 20% off, they are selling for $11.95 a piece. Now on Candle Day, which usually happens in December, and I have the sneakiest suspicion that will be canceled this year, perhaps they'll have these sporadic candle sales like this and make it like a little bit more low-key than one day of a big candle sale to get people, you know, buying products. But I've noticed Bath and Body Works in the last week, they've had all these weird sales. Like one day it's like mists that are $5 and then lotions that are $2.95 and then this. So it's kind of like they're really trying to get you back in the store, I've noticed. So these are an item that I really, really wanted, and I'm gonna show you the notes of them, and I'm not gonna be opening them up till maybe next Wednesday in case somebody in the store opened it up, put their face in it, gave it a big, you know, and then I don't wanna open it up, and if they were sick with COVID, that I would get, you know, the disease, and then that would be the end of me. So, you know, just being extra safe. So this first one is called Fresh Fall Morning. I was looking for something that had notes of like, trees and like wilderness, because that's my husband's favorite. And if this will ever focus, it says that the notes are citrus, zest, woodland sage, red delicious apples, and essential oils. So that seems pretty nice, and it looks like a tree. This next one I'm really excited for. It's called salted butterscotch. Anything in that note of baking, I'm all over it. And the notes for this one, guys, is warm brown sugar, sweet cream, pinch of sea salt, melted butter, and essential oils. So that should be a very interesting one as well. Now this is one that I have purchased a couple weeks back. It's called Banana Walnut Muffin, and ooh, it's alive. And this guy has notes of sweet banana, golden nutmeg, cinnamon sugar muffin with essential oils. I have burned this one before, and it is very, very pleasant. I think this one's a home run, so I bought 2 of them, so I have a backup, and then one maybe to gift one day. Why not? And then these 2 I just could not, I mean, they had to come home with me. That include Perfect Pumpkin. It just looks like my cat, so I just had to, of course I had to buy it. And this one has Perfect Pumpkin and Black Cat Clove, Ghostly Vanilla, Batty Brown Sugar with essential oil. So I guess Pumpkin must have worked in the factory to put this one together. And then the last one is Fireside Marshmallow. I always like it when they have a candle that has that smokiness to it. And this one has the notes of toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber with essential oils. I thought my husband might enjoy that one too. So guys, to purchase all of these, I actually used an Ibotta gift card because Ibotta actually has both $20 and $50 denominations for Bath and Body Works. So because I didn't even want to open my wallet for this, I cashed out a $50 gift card this morning, and I also have like a $10 remaining one from a purchase that I did a couple weeks back. So I had $60 to play with, and with this and the free item, I think I paid like $58 for all of this. So it was totally worth it, and I didn't really feel it out of pocket. I'm trying to debate with myself if I need to go back and use this, or should I just like hold my horses and not go so crazy. But part of me really wants to go back and do more hauling because I love Bath and Body Works, and this is such a fire deal. It's obviously a lot better too to do this deal in store than online, because online you have to pay for the shipping, but in store you don't have to. So it's whatever you want, of course, but this is just a super deal, especially if you have an Ibotta gift card, and if you've been doing the little Ibotta deals, this might be a treat for you where you're not really going to feel it out of pocket. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.